some people recognize this part number, the A-MCIF2317. That is the friction welded piston for the later model DD15 applications. We do have stocks on those now. The part number A-MCIF2317 can be customized at the time of order for the serial number. So there's a number of different gasket sets that go in that DD15 engine, and that kit can be customized by the CSR when he enters the order. So it's important for the customer to supply the engine serial number when he orders the kit, so we can be sure he gets the right gaskets. Here's a little bit better picture of the breakdown of the engine kit. You can see it comes with the pistons, the liners. It's a one-piece forged steel piston, friction welded. Liners are APR. You can see the different gaskets. Now remember, the headset on these, when you buy them from the OEM, has limited parts in it. So you can see we're using a McBee style custom gasket set there, and you can see all the different components that we put in that kit, or the headset, that the OEM does not. These kits also come with new rod bolts, because that rod bolt's a single-use item.